Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open a crypto wallet. First, let's explore the two primary types of wallets available. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them ideal for everyday transactions and quick access to your funds. Cold wallets, on the other hand, operate offline, providing a higher level of security for storing significant amounts of cryptocurrency. Understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed decision about your digital asset storage. To set up a hot wallet, begin by choosing a trusted exchange or a dedicated software wallet application. You will then create an account, ensuring you use a very strong and unique password. Crucially, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Finally, you will receive a recovery phrase, typically 12 or 24 words. Write this down and store it in a safe, private, offline location. For a cold wallet, specifically a hardware wallet, purchase it directly from the official manufacturer to avoid counterfeits. Upon receiving it, initialize the device and establish a robust personal identification number, or PIN. The device will then generate a unique recovery phrase, usually 24 words long. Carefully write this phrase onto the provided recovery card and store it in an extremely secure, private place, like a safe deposit box. Once your wallet is set up, you can fund it by transferring cryptocurrency from an exchange. Always double-check the recipient wallet address multiple times before confirming any transaction, as mistakes are irreversible. Remember, your private keys and recovery phrase are the sole access to your funds. Never share them with anyone. Finally, consistently update your wallet software to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features, keeping your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.